baby.
Nope, no, yeah, pick her up. God bless you. God bless you. What do you say? Maya, what do you say? Wanga. That's not how you say thank you. Oh yeah. What's her name? Belle?
Yeah.
That's your baby Belle?
Yeah. I'll take her.
Yeah.
Oh, see it?
Only if you sit down. We sit down on our chairs.
No.
Maya.
Almost doesn't
Nope, nope, you sit in your chair.
do.
If you sit in your chair, I'll let you see it. Sit in your chair. Sit back. No, sit in your chair and I'll show it to you. Sit back. Sit back, honey. Oh, wow. What is so special about the clouds?
I'm moving.
God bless you.
I'm moving.
God bless you, Kira.
Moving. Maybe orange.
The clouds are orange?
Yeah.
I think that they are white.
White.
Yeah, white.
White.
Did you say hi, white?
Yep. White. On the table. I can see them now.
I'll show it to you.
Okay. I can try my baby.
Sure.
My baby. I hold it.
No, you can't hold it. Just because it's fragile.
I don't want my finger.
No, 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 you can't even touch it.
That's why.
Because it might break. Maya, open the door. Open the door. Kira, honey, come get Belle. Come get Belle, sweetheart.